Okay, this video is going to be just the disassembly of the valve body itself, and we're going to clean everything that comes out of this, and once we do get it clean, we'll go through and install the shift kit. So right now the purpose of this video is to just disassemble the valve body and give you some ideas of what's going on inside here. Start by first taking off the rooster comb or the shift selector, however you want to call it. There's a C-clip right off the top, and we drop down the kickdown shaft, and sometimes these are rusted pretty good and you gotta fight them, and this one's gonna fight. So get some old sandpaper, kind of sand this up. Kick down lever, and let's see. Magnets are useful as hell to keep everything from rolling off. Okay. Now this is the first time we're going to see the valve body inside, and what we'll do is we'll get another magnet for all these check balls. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 check balls. Looks like the 1/4 inch, and then 11/32, I believe. So stick those to the magnet. Nothing else in here. There might be a check ball in the bottom plate, but I don't believe that there is on this one. So at this point we can get the other valves out of here. And I'm not overly concerned with screwing them up because TransGo has a really nice picture of their orientation, so we don't have to really worry about getting lost in here. Before I tip it, there's a lot of fluid. So there's the valve body itself, the top part of it. It's empty, there's nothing in it. We got all the check valves out, just a block of aluminum. So we'll go ahead and we'll get this cleaned out, and I believe we have to make one drill hole in it somewhere, I believe in this area. So we'll get to it. Okay, we'll take this plate apart. and you got a valve plate here. Okay, and we'll check this for any check balls, and I don't think that this one has any. No. Okay, so we'll wash everything up and start putting it back together.